The biggest thing is going to be checking and making sure their filters are changed on a regular basis. Depending on what type of filter you have is going to depend on how long it lasts. And lots of folks will go to get the best filter they can possibly get with the lowest MERV rating, and that's not the best thing to do for lots of folks. You want one that is designed for your system. And then past that is that getting in a maintenance program, if you're not going to do it yourself, is the best way to do it, where they come out twice a year and check everything out. The biggest things that they can do is the filter and putting vinegar down their drain line to keep their drain line from backing up, and making sure that outdoor unit, everything is cut back away from that. People like to put plants around it, or they like to build fences around them, and that unit really needs to breathe. So letting that unit breathe and changing that filter is really the biggest things that you can do as a homeowner.